Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make background transparent in GIMP. So if you want to do it, first we need to click right mouse button on icon of fuzzy select tool, and after that we need to select fuzzy select. Of course you can use shortcut from your keyboard if you want, and then we need to click on white background, and after that outside part of the object will be successfully selected, but we need all elements to be selected. So I press and hold shift and I click inside the object on white color. Okay, and now all parts of object are successfully selected. So now we need to click right mouse button on layer, and then we need to click add alpha channel. So now is a perfect moment to click delete button from a keyboard, and how you see background is actually transparent. So now we need to go to select tab and we need to select here none. You can use shortcut shift ctrl A or click on this one option. Okay, so our background is actually transparent. If you want to export this file, you need to go to file, then you need to go to export as or use shortcut shift ctrl E. I click on it, and then we need to click here select file type by extension. Now we need to find here PNG, because this file type will let us to save transparent background. So I click on it, and then let's check if the file name has here extension .png. If yes, then click export button, and now you may see this one window. You need to check here save background color, save resolution and save creation time, and then you need to click export button. And how you see file has been successfully exported as PNG. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to buy me coffee from link in description.